In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in this Chrysler 300 key fob. This key fob here was used on 300s between 2005 and 2007 and just uses one of these CR2032 batteries. You can change the battery yourself at home. It's very easy. Just get one of these batteries, put a link down in the description to get it on Amazon for just a couple bucks, and then go ahead and follow along. The first step is to look right here on the key fob. There is this little slot that we are going to put a flathead screwdriver in and just hold everything firmly and give a little twist, just twisting like that until we've started to create an opening. Now work your way through that opening, doing the same thing, push it in, twist, and the whole thing will start to come apart. You won't damage anything, just go nice and slow and then finish it by pulling it apart with your fingers. Set that to the side now and remove this rubber part with the circuit board. Carefully set that to the side, and now we have our battery. We can just get under it with our tool, lift it up like that, and comes free. Now take a new CR2032 battery and make sure this positive side with the text and information goes face down. Put it into place, push down, and you're all done. Just have to reassemble everything. So go ahead and put the rubber back on top of the battery. Okay, position this on top of that and click it back together. That's it, you're all done. Really easy. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a comment or give us a like. And for more information on changing the batteries of key fobs for any make or model, check out our YouTube channel or visit fobbattery.com. Thank you for watching.